Have you toured the new WordPress site editor yet? And if not, what are you waiting for? Depending on how you use it, full site editing will change how websites are created by reducing the need for code and improving the speed to customizing layouts, which is a very, very good thing.
So if you're new to WordPress or just looking for a bit more information on the update, we're going to cover the basics of full site editing by answering some of your questions. But before we do that, let's talk about what the site editor is, Emma.
You got it, Neely. All right, now that WordPress 5.9 is released, if you have any block theme, you won't need to install the Gutenberg plugin to access the site editor settings. The site editor allows you to edit and navigate between various templates, template parts, styling options, and more. In Full Site Editor, it's a new way to use blocks throughout your WordPress website, and you can now use blocks everywhere on your site, not just in posts and not just in pages. And this is a significant shift in how we can build websites with WordPress.
And when you load the site editor interface, you'll find the template hierarchy of WordPress. This includes layouts for the front page, single post, page, and 404 pages. Depending on which theme you select will determine how many of these layouts are completed for you, or if you're customizing them from the start. And then within each layout, you can use the block editor to add blocks to your layouts.
All right, let's talk about block themes. What are they? Well, block themes are those that are ready for full site editing and themes that are equipped to connect to the site editor and allow website builders to assemble everything using blocks. And you can find a list of freely available block themes in the WordPress themes directory.
And now in each area within the site editor left navigation is a template. In this area, you can create layouts for each of these parts. Generally, these would be the layout for a single post or page area. But what if you want to create a template for a smaller portion? Template parts are ideal for this. You can use a template part to create the footer for your entire site in one location so that you don't have to update it each page or post individually each time you create or update it.
What are global styles? Well, similarly, customizing your themes to use your colors, your fonts, and any other branding is really important, but having to edit each page or post to match, well, that can be time consuming to say the least, and annoying. Having a global style means your branding will always be the default whenever you create content on your website, which is going to save you a ton of time.
Now, what changes with the navigation block? After you've created the navigation menu that you'd like to use in the header of your site, you'll need to assign it to the location to display. Within the site editor template parts, you can navigate to the header section. From here, you can add the navigation block as needed and select the corresponding navigation menu. Full site editing will change how developers and website builders create themes in WordPress for the better. Every part of the website is now able to be edited and controlled using blocks, which will be a faster workflow when tweaking existing layouts and will make site configuration so much faster. So, what do you think of the 5.6 and 5.9 updates? We'd love to know in the comments below.
Yes, we would love that. But for now, that's a wrap. Your journey doesn't have to stop here. We have over 250 videos for you to watch.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is The Journey.